Welcome to your hotel's guide to Exely Extranet. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set Exely Guest Relations. Exely Guest Relations helps hotels automate guest communication and personalize the guest experience. It increases direct bookings, improves service quality, and gives hotels deeper insights into guest behavior. To configure the solution, go to Guest Management, Guest Relations in the Exely Extranet. Review the overview of how the solution works, including guest segmentation and analytics, then click Continue. On the Segment step, set the period of data collection from the PMS. Click Continue. Wait until the guest list is generated. The data collection process may take time. The Done button will become active when the data is collected. If you have a different PMS, the guest list will be generated based on data from the Exely Extranet, starting from the moment Exely Guest Relations is connected. If you have extra questions, feel free to contact us or check out our knowledge base.